start.
Hello sir, my name is Subhash. I'm gonna present the PPT presentation. I'm gonna explain about the GUI. This is the importing, and then this is the public class customer order extend Java X string JFrame, and this is the JDBC driver com.mysql JDBC driver, and the second one is the DB URL JDBC MySQL localhost 3306 and Java XML. The username is root, and then the password is just leave it blank, and then connection con null, statement null. This is the body for the public customer order. Init component, supervisor warning, go up, uncheck private word init component, and this is the jpanel one, new Java X string panel until j label jpanel. We just declare first, and then later only we will put the what are the jpanel, j text field, j combo box and text field all, and then go down. This is the button, and then set the full close operation. It's for the exit button at the outside of the body, and then this is the J label, set horizontal alignment for the center layout, and then this is the example. This is the picture for the example top.jpg for the what logo for the PPT project one, and then J label 2 is order ID, and then J label 3 is customer name, and J label 4 is customer phone number, and J label 5 delivery date, J label 6 is package, J label 7 type of delivery, J label 8 receipt name, J label 9 receipt phone number, J label 10 receipt address, J label 11 payment method, and J label 12 is status. J text field is it's a date, and then J combo box, it's the combo box for the chocolate, cake, flowers, balloon all, and then for the this is the for all the declaration. J combo box 2 is anniversary apologize, J combo box 3 is cash self collect online banking, and J combo box 4 is pending for payment and not yet delivery done. This is the group layout method, set layout all, and then alignment all. This is the setting for the alignment all, and this one the add component all. So when we add, it will show up to the output. This all, and then this is the component for the J label also. This one set the size for the group layout, and I go down. This is the text area set column declaration for the text area, and then this is the set level for the jpanel 3, and then see these are the button coding for the button coding. J button 1, J button 2, J button 3, J button 4. So update, delete, reset, cancel. That's all from me, and the next presenter will be present.
Okay, sir. Hi, Dashwin. I'm going to present the database part and give the function to insert button on. So here we got the string ID declare to J text field, and then we declare the rest of the GUI component. And here we put for this is the coding for date, the date to have a set format like this one. Then this one is the coding for the database to insert. So here we put whatever the ID is. Then at here we connect to the database. If it succeeded, you'll say save. If all the boxes are not filled up, all the text field, you'll say fill up all fields. And then we come to the, I think this one is I think so is the display. So here all you will display all the thing we select. And then next one is This one is the cancel button, here one. So then you press that one, you'll exit the system. For this is the reset all the text field. Then this one is for update function. So we put here all the text field, which one all want to update. So later we fill in the things, he will update the information and with the updated one. So this one is delete from the table. You just put the ID name, it will delete. And then this one is just to create and display the form. And that's all for the coding. So now we move on to the GUI.
Okay, hi sir, I'm Durkashni, I'm the third presenter. Before this, my both friends explained about the coding. Now I need to talk about the output, how it works. So first of all, I explain the name, order ID, customer name, customer phone number, delivery date, package, type of delivery, registration name, registration phone number, registration address, and payment method, and also status. Okay, first we enter ID and customer name. Okay, next phone number, and choose any other day. Okay, here in package we can choose anything, and then for type of delivery also, and the restaurant name, and phone number and address. Okay. For payment method, online or cash. Status payment also. After they have to save. And it come out a pop-up message. Okay, in database, you can see the data we just now input is safe or not. Here the third thing, ID 3 Subhash, and the phone number, date, the package, delivery, who to who, the phone number, address, and which kind of method to pay, and the status. Okay, now we go see about the display. Okay sir, here we can see the previous database also, which is enter before this, and just now we enter Subhash. So see here got the display on the Subhash name and every details. If you want to update means click anything. Okay, change registration name. Okay, click Vijay, and we can see in database also is automatically changed. Here in registration name, before this got Mugan, but after we change got Vijay. And in output also we can see. Let's display again.
Huh? Display.
No, the output.
Yeah, got already.
Okay, got. It's automatically come out, sir. The Vijay. Delete. Okay, here can see the delete function, which is the data will gone. And here also the never see the can see the previous data all. Here the reset button, all will clear, and the cancel, the output the cancel.
That's
all from us, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.